Hello. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, I'm going to do a couple of numbers off an album that I'm hoping to do called Despair. Thing is, they're both pretty bad, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the worst one first, so the second one won't seem quite so bad. Yeah. Okay, the first number is called Hurt. And this number's sort of about a big depression that I had sort of half an hour ago. I probably won't be able to remember the words. Never mind, though. Okay, it's called Hurt, and it goes like this. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it goes on like this for a while. When I'm down, you kick me further. You kick me further, further on down. Just makes me want to love you even more. I get so hurt, baby, I'm so hurt. You really did hurt me today.